How to enable passcode lock in Trading 212 application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to protect your trading account so no one else can open it on your device, then here's how you can add a passcode lock in Trading 212. First of all, open up the Trading 212 app on your device, and once you're logged into your account, go ahead and click on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Inside the menu option, go ahead and scroll down and tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap Privacy and Security from the left and tap on Passcode Lock on the right. Now you'll see a little switch or toggle menu. Tap on it to enable Passcode Lock. Enter a passcode you want to set for your account. Confirm the passcode by re-entering it again, and you have created a passcode. Now you have successfully enabled Passcode Lock feature. Now once you've enabled Passcode Lock, under Require Passcode, go ahead and select the time duration when you want the Passcode Lock to be active. And right after you do that, close off the Trading 212 app completely, launch it again, and you'll be required to enter your passcode to get access to your account. Go ahead and enter the passcode that you created, and you'll be back to your account in no time. So that's how you enable Passcode Lock in Trading 212. Now your account is much safer from unwanted access. You can always turn off the passcode feature whenever you want. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.